Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all CORES location to complete the scavenger hunt quest from the scientists in Fish It Roblox Lava Basin update. Okay, there will be 4 CORES that you need to find, and the first location is at the laboratory island. You can go to this area and then you will find the first core right here, and then you can take the core. Okay, done for the first one, and now we're going to move to the second location. For the second location, you can go to the Kohana island and you will find the core right there. Okay, just follow where I go. After you arrive at the Kohana Island, just go to the right side and you will find the core here. And the third location is at the Fisherman Island. You can go to this building, the purple one or the blue one, and the core will be right here, and you can take it. And now let's move to the last location. It's at the island, the small island. When you want to go to the esoteric depth, you will find small island right here. And wait, okay, and then you can find the lost core here. And I've already completed 4 cores. Now it's time to go back to the NPC. You can insert all your cores here, and then you will be able to get this preview. Okay guys, and that's how you can find all CORES location in Fish It Roblox Lava Basin update to complete the scavenger hunt quest. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!